If Thanos from the Marvel Universe lived in our world today, his investment choices would reflect his grand vision for balance and control. Here are some potential investments and how they relate to him historically, and specific stocks which relate to his ultimate goal of control and balance. 1. Population Management Solutions. Thanos' historical perspective revolves around population control. He might invest in companies and technologies focused on healthcare, family planning, and resource management to address global population challenges. 2. Renewable Energy. Thanos believes in bringing balance to the universe, and investing in renewable energy aligns with his ideology. By supporting clean energy companies, he would contribute to a more sustainable future and reduce the environmental impact. 3. Technology and Artificial Intelligence. Thanos is known for his advanced technological capabilities. Investing in technology and AI-related companies would align with his interest in harnessing innovation for greater efficiency and control. 4. Mining and resource extraction. In his pursuit of the Infinity Stones, Thanos displayed a strong desire to control valuable resources. He might invest in companies involved in mining, resource extraction, and natural resource management. 5. Space exploration and colonization. Thanos' history involves traveling through space and conquering various worlds. Investing in space exploration companies, satellite technology, and space colonization ventures could relate to his interest in expanding humanity's reach. 6. Defense and security. Thanos is a formidable force and prioritizes maintaining order and security. He might invest in defense and security companies that develop advanced technologies, surveillance systems, and protection services. 7. Philanthropy and charitable causes. Although his methods may be controversial, Thanos believes in bringing balance and improving society. He might invest in philanthropic initiatives, supporting causes related to education, poverty alleviation, and social welfare. 8. Precious metals and collectibles. Thanos values rare and powerful artifacts. Investing in precious metals like gold and collectibles such as valuable artworks or historical artifacts may resonate with his desire for acquisition and control. 9. Financial institutions. Thanos seeks control and power, which could lead him to invest in financial institutions that have significant influence over economies and markets. 10. Infrastructure development. Thanos' vision includes reshaping civilizations. Investing in infrastructure projects, construction companies, and urban development could relate to his desire to shape societies and their structures. It's important to note that Thanos' goals and methods are fictional and rooted in a comic book storyline. Let's take a look at some potential stocks he might consider and how they relate to him historically. 1. Lockheed Martin Corporation, LMT. Thanos has a militaristic background and seeks control and power. Investing in a defense contractor like Lockheed Martin, known for its aerospace and defense products, would align with his interest in advanced weaponry and technologies. 2. Barrick Gold Corporation, GOLD. Thanos values precious resources. Investing in a gold mining company like Barrick Gold would reflect his interest in acquiring and controlling valuable assets, as gold holds symbolic and monetary value. 3. Tesla Inc. TSLA. Thanos values sustainable solutions and balance. Tesla, an electric vehicle and clean energy company, represents innovation and a commitment to environmental preservation, which aligns with his vision of restoring balance to the universe. 4. Amazon.com Inc. Thanos aims to reshape civilizations. Amazon, as a dominant global e-commerce and technology company, represents significant control over commerce and logistics, which resonates with his desire for influence and order. 5. Alphabet Inc. GOOGL. Thanos seeks knowledge and information. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, is a leader in technology and information services, which would align with his desire for knowledge and control over information flow. 6. BlackRock Inc. BLK. Thanos values power and influence. BlackRock, one of the world's largest investment management firms, represents significant control and influence over global financial markets, aligning with his desire for control and shaping of societies. 7. NVIDIA Corporation, NVDA. Thanos appreciates advanced technologies. NVIDIA, known for its graphics processing units and artificial intelligence capabilities, represents cutting-edge technology and innovation, which aligns with his interest in harnessing advanced technologies. 8. United Nations, UN, Green Climate Fund-related stocks. Thanos seeks balance and sustainability. Investing in companies associated with the UN Green Climate Fund, which supports initiatives for climate resilience and sustainable development, would relate to his desire for balance and environmental stewardship. 9. Virgin Galactic Holdings Inc. SPCE. Thanos has a spacefaring background. Investing in a space tourism company like Virgin Galactic would align with his interest in space exploration and colonization, representing his desire for expansion and control. 10. Sotheby's, BID. Thanos appreciates rare and valuable artifacts. Investing in an auction house like Sotheby's, known for its sale of high-end art and collectibles, would relate to his interest in acquiring and controlling rare and powerful artifacts. Thanos from Marvel might possess certain attributes and characteristics that could potentially make him successful in investing in today's market. Here are a few factors to consider. Long-term vision. Thanos is known for his long-term vision and commitment to achieving his goals. Investing often requires patience and a focus on long-term growth. Thanos' ability to see the big picture and withstand short-term fluctuations could be an advantage in the investment world. Calculated decision-making. Thanos is a strategic thinker who carefully plans his actions. Successful investing requires making calculated decisions based on research, analysis, and risk assessment. Thanos' ability to analyze situations and make strategic choices could translate well into investment decision-making. Discipline and determination. Thanos exhibits great discipline and determination in pursuing his objectives. Similarly, successful investing requires discipline in sticking to investment strategies and resisting impulsive decisions based on market fluctuations. Thanos' disciplined mindset might contribute to his ability to stay focused on his investment goals. Risk management. Thanos is willing to take calculated risks to achieve his vision. In investing, risk management is crucial, and taking calculated risks can lead to potential rewards. Thanos' willingness to assess and manage risks might help him navigate the uncertainties of the market. Control and order. Thanos seeks control and order in the universe. In investing, having a sense of control over one's financial destiny and establishing order and portfolio management can be beneficial. Thanos' desire for control might drive him to actively manage his investments. Ultimately, successful investing requires a combination of knowledge, experience, analysis, adaptability, and a deep understanding of the market. Fictional character traits alone cannot guarantee success in real-world investing. Hope to see you in our next financial fable.